Here is your first look at Tropical Storm Melissa as it has just formed in the Caribbean with a 100% chance of formation with a next forecast cone within the next few hours here by the National Hurricane Center. You can see we're located just south of the Dominican Republic, Haiti, Hispaniola region, and here is a look at where this storm could be going. We're still looking at a two-solution type look here. However, we have been looking at more trending westward here as a stall. Here's the Google AI. Look how we go a little bit northward, and then all those solutions, the ensemble members, move westward, becoming a very strong hurricane. I want to kind of point that out. Look at all those pink lines. That means very strong hurricane moving westward. The more time it sits in these very warm waters, the more likely we're going to see a very strong hurricane, the first one in this region. Looking at a different opinion here. Here is the Euro as well. Similar type of story overall here, at least some models moving northward and then maybe stalling out, moving westward, but the majority actually not even getting that close to the Haiti region. Moving westward and then eventually moving northeastward, and that's kind of towards the end of the track here. Look at the kind of future here as well. It's a little bit far out, so don't take this verbatim, but you can really get the idea of where these models are going. Mainly stall, then move some sort of northward direction, northeast, and it's really, as if we get a stall, it's going to be very hard for the models to fully flesh out where it's going. Models are surprisingly bad at stalled systems, so we'll have to keep a very close eye. I think the United States should be still watching, not very the likely outcome for United States direct impacts, but man, with these very warm waters, a very strong storm is possible within here as well. And lastly, I want to talk about the dynamics of why our kind of stalled storm is becoming the more likely one. It's all because of wind shear right now is actually making our storm a little bit less strong. So a less strong storm is less likely to be impacted by upper level lows. And that's what we have across the northern United States. That is usually our big magnet that pulls our storms to the north and out of here. However, because we're expecting a little bit of a weaker storm, at least shorter term, less impact from this is likely. And that's why the models are trying to pick up on why this is going to start to stall and possibly cause more issues than what we originally thought. Now, this is the first storm moved into this region and is a very dangerous region to stall into because some land is going to be affected.